Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your mirror show your past and future self using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open up Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits and go to the home menu, select image, and you're going to add the prompt here. And then you're going to upload your photo. I'm going to pick random photo from my device, this one, and we're going to send the photo and also the prompt to AI. Okay guys, and this is the result, and I'm going to choose one of them. Actually, all of them are good, but I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to select without Pippit watermark. And we can click on download and the video will be saved to our device. Or if you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate it. Okay guys, and that's how to make your mirror show your past and future self using Pippit AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description. And then you can try to make any photo or video that you want, as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching and bye!